Hi everyone, Chase with JobFlow. In this video, we'd like to talk a little bit about BraiderBot maintenance and troubleshooting. The BraiderBot itself doesn't require much maintenance. The braider that you send in to have the BraiderBot installed on will still require the same maintenance as recommended by the manufacturer. Now, most of our communication for our troubleshooting is going to come through our light tower, and we've included a sheet in the manual to help you decipher what those lights mean. At the moment, we have a yellow blinking light here, and a thread light is on, indicating that we've run out of thread. So we can see that our carrier is at the front, it's empty. So if we were to go ahead and replace that and then close our door, our light will go back to green. We use the door opening and closing cycle to clear the thread runout condition. Another example that you may see is a cone angle sensor problem. If you see 3 blinking red lights in 2 seconds, that's going to indicate a cone angle sensor problem. It could be that one of the yarns that are going around have kind of balled up around your harness and are blocking too many sensors all at once. It could be that your sensors just need to be cleaned. You'll want to look at them closer. If you do need to clean your sensors, we've included a chip clearing brush that you can use to brush off the sensors. You can also use clean, dry, compressed air to blow the sensors off. After you clean your sensors, you will want to tear them. It's a simple process. You just push and hold the stop button for 3 seconds, wait for 5 flashes of the red light, and that will indicate that your cone angle sensors have been teared. We also have our branch detection sensor in the feed tube. This will also need to be teared from time to time. If you push and hold your start button for 3 seconds, wait for 5 flashes, that will indicate that your branch detection sensor has been teared. Now, we recommend that you tear them about weekly or so, but if you find that you have a problem, you may need to do it more frequently than that. It's also worth noting that you will want to tear your sensors without a harness and the braider, as that would throw off your tear. Now, obviously, we didn't cover everything in this video. We've given you more information in the manual, but if you should need any additional help, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're only a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.